Good day, class. This is Sir Emilio T. Tare Jr., and welcome to the day 15 of our mathematics class. Today's learning objective is to find the indicated number of geometric means between any two terms. Now, let's define geometric mean. Geometric means are numbers between any two given terms of a geometric sequence. For example, in the sequence 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32, the numbers 1 and 32 are what we call geometric extremes, while 2, 4, 8, and 16 are the geometric means. Again, the keyword for the geometric mean is the word between. Nasa gitna po siya ng dalawang term. Now, consider a geometric sequence which has a sub 1 or the first term equal to 2 and the a sub 3 or the third term equal to 18. So this is how it will look. 2 blank 18. How do we use the formula for finding the nth term of a geometric sequence to find the second term a sub 2? Now, remember that for any nth term, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. In this case, the first term a sub 1 and n are known except the common ratio. So, ang una natin hahanapin is the common ratio kasi ito po yung nawawala. Pero meron tayong first term and the last term. Ito yung 2 tsaka yung 18 kanina. However, we can write a sub 3 as, so we can rewrite this formula into this one. A sub 3 is equal to a sub 1, where a sub n or the last term is the a sub 3 or the third term, and n is equal to 3. A sub 3 is equal to minus lang po natin yung 3 minus 1, or mag-subtract lang tayo, kaya naging r squared na yan, or r raised to 2. Then, by substituting for the value of a sub 1 and a sub 3, we have, ano nga ulit yung value ng a sub 1 natin? 2. And ang ating a sub 3 naman ay 18. So, ganito po ang magiging itsura ng ating equation. 18, which is a sub 3, is equal to the first term, which is 2 times r raised to 2. Ngayon, after substituting our a sub 1 and a sub 3, hanapin natin yung r gamit yung nakuha nating equation. So we have here 18 is equal to 2 times r raised to 2. Ang kailangan lang natin ay r, pero meron siyang nakamultiply na 2 at exponent na 2. So isa-isa nating tanggalin yan, or isa-isa natin yang i-reduce into lowest form. So first, i-divide muna natin both side by 2 para ma-cross out natin ang 2 at maging 1 na lang yan. And 18 divided by 2 is equal to what? Very good, 9. And ang matitira naman sa right side ay r squared na lang. Okay. Now, meron na tayong 9 equal to r squared. Pero wala pa din tayong value ng r kasi r squared pa rin yung nasa right side ng ating equation. Gagawin natin, since naka-square ang ating r, kukunin natin yung square root ng both side of equation. And the square root of 9 is positive and negative 3, while the square root of r is positive and negative 3. So, r would be equal to positive or negative 3. So, may value na tayo ng r. Since dalawa ang square root ng 3, when we say square root, iisip ka ng number na kapag minultiply sa sarili, 9 ang sagot. So, ang positive 3 times positive 3 ay equal po yan sa positive 9. Ganon din ang negative 3 times negative 3. Pareho po yung equal to positive 9. Kaya ang sagot natin dito sa baba ay positive and negative 3. Positive or negative 3. Pwedeng isa dyan sa dalawang yan. Now, hanapin na natin ang a sub 2 dahil meron na tayong value ng r. So, gamit yung formula for general term, i-insert natin, ang hinahanap na natin ngayon ay si a sub 2. Meron na tayong a sub 1 at meron na din tayong r. At dahil a sub 2 yung hinahanap natin, ang n natin ay 2. So, magiging a sub 2 is equal to a sub 1 times r na lang. Kasi, nag-subtract tayo from here. So, r raised to 2 minus 1 is r na lang. Or r raised to 1 or simply just r. Ngayon, ang value ng ating a sub 1 ay 2. Ang value naman ng ating ng r ay positive or negative 3. Ngayon, kapag multiply mo yan, ang maaaring value ng ating a sub 2 ay positive or negative 6. So, okay. So, anong magiging itsura ng ating geometric sequence? Magiging 2, positive 6, and 18. At pwede ding 2, negative 6, 18. Okay, kasi pwedeng positive r, ito kapag r is equal to positive 3. Ito naman ang magiging itsura kapag ang r ay equal sa negative 3. Okay, or just simply 2 plus or minus 6, 18. Ito ang ating sequence kapag r is equal to positive or negative 3. Okay. So, generally, ito yung gusto kong makuhang sagot kapag may quizzes tayo. Okay, next. For our example number 2, find three geometric means between 8 and 5,000. So, again, tatlong geometric means na ang hinahanap natin dito ngayon. So, gamitin natin yung ating general term formula, which is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. So, from here, ang a sub n natin ay ang last term, ang a sub 1 natin ay ang first term, ang hinahanap natin ay r. So, kung ang ating a sub n ay ang last term, which is 5,000, ngayon, anong value ng n natin? Imagine yung sequence. Sa sequence na merong tatlong pagitan ng 8 at ang 5,000, pangilan ng 5,000? Very good. Pang 5. And of course, ang unang term or ang a sub 1 ay 8. Ngayon, substitute natin itong mga values natin. Magkakaroon tayo ng 5,000 is equal to a sub 1, which is 8, times r natin, yan yung hinahanap natin, raised to 5 minus 1. Kasi yung 5 natin ay ang n or ang n natin ay 5. Next, copy muna natin yung 5,000. Unahin natin yung exponent isolve. So, magiging 5,000 equal to 8 times r raised to what? Very good, 4. Now, meron tayo ditong, ang hinahanap lang natin is r, pero meron balakid. Yun yung nakamultiply na 8 at exponent na 4. So, ano ang una nating itutumba dyan? Or i-eliminate natin dyan? 8 or 4? Yung nakamultiply or yung exponent? Okay, very good. Yung nakamultiply. So, magdi-divide tayo both side by 8. So, magiging 5,000 over 8 sa left side. At sa right side naman natin ay 8 times r raised to 4 divided by 8. So, mawawala na or ma-reduce into 1 na lang ang 8. Then, 5,000 divided by 8 is 625 equal to r raised to 4. Ngayon, dahil ang exponent natin ay 4, kukunin natin ang fourth root both side ng ating equation. Hindi po square root, kundi fourth root. Ano kaya ang pinagkaiba ng fourth root sa square root? When we say fourth root, iisip ka ng number na kapag minultiply sa sarili niya ng 4 na beses, 625 ang sagot. So, dito muna tayo. Dito, masisimplify na natin to into r. In short, parang kinancel na lang natin yung exponent na 4 at ang ating fourth root of 4. Fourth root pala, sorry. So, magiging r na lang. R equal to, so, balik tayo dito. Ano ang fourth root ng 625? Very good. Positive or negative 5. Pwedeng positive 5 kasi 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 is 625. Pwede ding negative 5 kasi negative 5 times negative 5 times negative 5 times negative 5 is 625 din. So, ang R natin is negative or positive or negative 5. Now, dahil meron na tayong R na positive or negative 5, at ang hinahanap natin ay yung tatlong nasa gitna ng ating geometric extremes. Again, ang tawag natin sa 5008 ay geometric extremes. Hanapin natin yung geometric means. Hanapin yung geometric means natin a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4. Eh di ba sa geometric sequence, kapag para mahanap ang mga term, magmumultiply ka ng r or ng common ratio sa isang term para mahanap mo yung kasunod niya. So, para mahanap ang a sub 2, saan natin i-multiply ang r? Very good, sa 8. So, magiging ang 8 natin, i-multiply natin sa positive or negative 5, and ang magiging sagot is positive or negative 40. Ngayon, ganun din ang gawin natin sa a sub 3. I-multiply natin yung a sub 2 natin by positive or negative 5, magiging sagot natin dyan ay 200. Positive 200 kasi positive 40 times positive 5 is 200 or ganun din, positive or negative 200 pala. So this should be positive only. Kasi kung i-assume natin na negative yung ating r, dapat alternate yan. Kung i-assume naman natin na positive, so lahat positive. So both way, positive si 200 or yung middle term. Next, multiply ulit natin to sa positive or negative 5, magiging 1,000 or positive negative 1,000. So, ganun din, kapag multiply mo to by positive negative 5, magiging positive 5,000 lang. Kasi, again, kapag inassume natin na negative yung r natin, magiging alternate dapat. Dapat positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. So, ganyan dapat, di ba? Pero kapag inassume naman natin na positive, magiging positive lahat. So, in both cases, yung una, pangatlo, at panglima ay laging positive. So dito, ang a sub 2 natin ay positive or negative 40. A sub 3 natin is positive 200 lang. At ang ating a sub 4 ay positive or negative 1,000. Okay. I hope you learned something today. Kung meron tayong katanungan, just feel free to chat me on our group chat or send me a personal message. That would be all for today. Goodbye, class!